Okay, so this is the BAZIC or basic pocket calculator, not the scientific one, this one. This one's the 3003 version, scientific, and this is a pocket one, 3009. It says 8-digit auto power off, available in assorted colors. I like the orange one, solar power. On the back, 8-digit display, as it says there, on and clear. Yeah, okay, that's right. Square root, percentage, just like the other calculator, and then you can do the memories. Nice. Multifunction memory as well. Try other great basic products. We offer a wide range of stationery products for all your school and office, but it didn't say anything about the scientific version. Dual power, must have a battery in it. So if if you're very young, you should ask your parent before you're using a knife or anything. Always ask your parents if you're not allowed to do that. Okay. There it is. Very lightweight. Very lightweight. All right. That looks nice. Okay. Well, 9 times 9, right, is 81. That's nice. You can take the square root of 81, gives you that. You can see that there's no negative key, only subtraction key. Now, let's see. 8 take away 9 equals -1. How about if it was 8? Can you put a negative on there? No. No, we can't. 10 -16 equals, and if we add 6 to that, gives us 0, so that negative works. That's too bad there's no negative here. Maybe there is somewhere. No, it doesn't look like it. Nope, nope, nope. Nothing. Oh, wait a minute, 6. I forget why. Just let me see. Just adding 6s. I'll put a plus. That's interesting. All right, you put it next to this guy. You can see that it's way bigger. This one is $1, I think, now at the 99-cent store. This one used to be $1, but it's a little bit more expensive, maybe less than 5. Very nice calculator. It does a lot. You'll be surprised. For this one, the back, oh look, it has a cover, battery cover. And can you, oh, it's already scratched. Let's see. Use battery, AA. Oh, look at that. You can use a AA battery. But for right now, it's working. It doesn't look like it's going anywhere. I'm wondering if I have to unscrew it first. And I won't be able to reach those screws. It might not pop up just so that it can be safe for students, but we're going to try this. We're going to go in there and see. Yeah, you don't need to unscrew it. You can put a AA battery in here. Interesting. Let's see if I have one. I might not. Sure I do. Here. We have these cheap batteries. They might be alkaline. Let's see. Heavy duty, even better. Okay. There we go. And we slide it in. Locks in very nicely. So if this has no light whatsoever, no light. Well, first of all, let's should have done the experiment without the battery, right? Let's take out the battery. Okay, let's put her, yeah, see, it turns off. You can barely see it, but not there anymore. You see that? Okay. And so when there's no sun, you can put a battery in here. Right? It doesn't turn off because it'll turn off automatically. See, dual power. So we'll cover this over here, and it's working. Nice. No battery. There's no turning off. Electronic calculator. Very nice. Very portable. Very, very easy to use. Okay. Let's do 9%. No, let's see. Of 40. Does it do that? No. Of 40. Let's say 100 times 9% equals 900. 85% or 10% of 100? Nope. I'm not sure how to use that. 25% of 100? Let's say times? Nope. I'm not sure how that percent works. 100%. Okay, let me see. 25% takes you to 0, while 100%, it does take you to 0 too. 25% times 100 equals, doesn't give you anything. All right, well, if you know how to use it, the percent sign, please tell me. Let's say 36, I want to add that into memory, and I can bring it back? Sure I can. And I can take it off too. All right. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Get a sense of what you can do with this. I hope you have a wonderful semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.